Well, here we are at the Stratosphere. This is where I had an invitation for a 4th of July pool party, which includes DJ and band. They took it? Oh, wow, that was quick. And we're here at the Stratosphere, as I was saying, having a little fun. All right. Getting ready to drink up, huh? Corona. Anyway, we're over here getting situated. They got a DJ, and they're going to have a band in a while. And then we're also part of the invitation, allows us to go up to the top of the Stratosphere, the 107th floor, and watch the fireworks. So we'll see if we do that or catch us in the strip. Anyway, take a break, leaving you guys for a while. I'm gonna take some sun in. Have a good 4th of July. There's my friend Dee. Yay, Dee!
Hey, go
over here. 4th of July. Hope you're having as much fun as we are.
Sorry.
Well, it's almost 9 p.m. on Sunday evening, and I'm walking out to the front of the Flamingo, which is going to be one of the areas that they're going to have fireworks going off. They'll be shooting them off at Caesars, which is right across the street, but this is a good location to catch them. They've already started them at different parts of Las Vegas. There's going to be fireworks on different parts of the strip, but this is going to be one of the better ones right here at the Caesars. So I'm going to grab me a seat like a lot of people are doing. A lot of people are already gathering around. We're getting ready. Any minute for the fireworks.
Coffee craving and dessert desires. The Pink Bean Fine Coffee. Get totally rewarded with the best players card in Las Vegas. Sign up for your Total Rewards card right now. When you're a Total Rewards card holder, each pull of the handle and every turn of the cards makes you a winner. Join Total Rewards by stopping by the Total Rewards Center at the fabulous Flamingo. Total Rewards membership is free and easy. Use your Total Rewards card whenever you play slots or table games and start earning rewards credits immediately. Total Rewards offers players like you outstanding and unique rewards, including hotel discounts. Great place for fantastic flavors. Rich aroma. Taste of desserts, delicious ice cream, snacks. Get totally rewarded with the best players card in Las Vegas. Sign up for a rewards card right now. When you're a total rewards card holder, each pull of the handle and every turn of the card makes you a winner. Join Total. The harmonious feeling of the job well done. After your workout, or instead of, it develops the spirit and the body. You can look to Steve behind exciting city in the world. The Flamingo Spa. Experience awaits. Outrageous and sexy back to
Well, that concludes a great fireworks show here in Las Vegas on the Strip at Caesar's Palace for the 4th of July 2010.
The Flamingo Spa, your unique spa experience awaits
Now it's
you.
time to go play and do some gambling. Yeah.
Do you hunger
If I
for
can
the
get a
true
big
taste
check
of
from
Japan?
me.
Amara of
But I'm
Japan
happy.
is Las Vegas's favorite
Everybody have a
place
great
for
4th of July again.
Japanese cuisine.